Guys, good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to install WhatsApp on your PC. So let's learn how to install WhatsApp on your PC. If you also have issues with your WhatsApp, you can drop the issues you have on your comments. So let's go ahead to open Microsoft Store on my PC. Then after opening Microsoft Store, I'll just go ahead to be searching for WhatsApp. So this is his WhatsApp app. I'll be opening this. And the next thing to do is to click on the install button you find here. Then once you're done installing your WhatsApp, you can go ahead to open your WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp here on my device. Thank you. So this is basically how to install and get your WhatsApp app on your device or PC. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.